are here, our laboratories bring.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rogelio Palabrica from Section 2ARP13. So today we will gonna show you in this vlog our laboratory, and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna choose one lab that I most excited to try. First is polygraph. This polygraph I choose because during polygraph test, the examiner asks a series of relevant and irrelevant questions while monitoring these psychological responses. Significant changes in these responses when answering relevant questions may indicate deception. Polygraph results can provide valuable insights that guide the direction of an investigation. So today we will gonna answer the question in this vlog. So the first question is, why are you most excited to try this laboratory? I would be excited to connect with other students, professionals, and researchers in the field, building a network of contacts that could support my future career aspirations. I believe that a career criminology would provide me with the opportunity to contribute to a safe, more just, and more equitable society. So the second question is, what skills do you expect to gain from this lab? As a criminology student, this will help me expand my understanding of the legal framework within which criminal investigations and prosecutions occur. And I could enhance my ability to gather relevant information from various sources to improve my ability to make informed decisions under pressure. And the last question is, how will these skills help you in your criminology journey in future career? So this would help me in working in teams, ability to collaborate effectively with others, share knowledge and leverage diverse perspectives would be crucial. As a future law enforcement, these skills I gain in this lab would prepare me to take on these leadership roles and confidence and competence. So that's all, and thank you for watching.